Wait,
Saan ang entrance?
we locked out.
Sir, ito ang California Mulberry.
Anong pangalan?
Californian
Californian
Mulberry.
Mulberry. Dre, look at the Californian Mulberry, ate.
Where?
Yan o. Hold mo. Pwede hawakan.
Pwede sir.
Oh, hold nyo. Yun o. Te. Yun o. Sa dulo. Californian Mulberry. Hmm?
Ang hinog niya is fully black.
Ah, hindi pa to hinog.
Hindi pa sir.
Fully black dapat.
Dun sa baba sir, sa dulo. Mayroon tayong
Ah,
dulo,
okay.
tapos
Sige,
pipili
sige.
tayo. Ito sir, is local berry sir. Wild blueberry.
Wild blueberry.
Oh,
Dre.
usually na tumakitaan sa Mount Apo sir.
Oh, ito oh.
Yes sir.
Dre, wild blueberry, Dre.
Where?
Ito.
Ang hinog niya sir is yung mga dark blue.
Dark blue.
So wala na masyado.
Oh. Asan jacket mo?
Dun sa car.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ayan na.
Sige, get
Yung
kayo
mga
ng ano, black.
Yung nasa ano? Ay, ano natin po para makita niya ang black.
Uy, nahulog.
Yun na.
Sige, si Andre naman. Ano, hugasan pa to dong, no?
Ito sir, wala tong ano sir, chemical sir.
Wala, ayos.
Oh,
Natural.
lang, sir. Pwede mong matikman din sir.
Pwede. Ito. Pwede na to?
Overripe na yan sir.
Overripe na.
Oo. Yan sir, magkuha ka dyan.
Dad.
Give me one, Dre. You can taste.
Dad.
It's raining.
Dad.
Yan sir. Tikman mo sir.
Dad. Dad. Your
Mm.
phone is not waterproof. I'm not waterproof.
Let's go, let's go.
You paid.
Doon.
There was a sign that said so.
Di ba? You ate one?
mm.
Oh, pwede.
Lauren. Hi. Ate, you can move on the other side ng ate. Hindi dun. Okay, pikit the stem daw.
Get this done.
Oh, smile here. Andre, ate. Smile here. Andre. Dre,
How do we get it?
smile. Okay, show the strawberry.
How do we get it?
Pull the stem daw.
From the sun. Like here, and then pull it. Tigas.
Tigas. Oh, show me this ano, strawberry. Andre, look. Yay. Oh, get. Okay, show the ano, grapes. Strawberry. Ah, dun daw, dun daw. Dre, dito Dre, oh, maganda. Dre, oh, maganda. Maganda pa yun, oh. Diyan, Dre. Yan, behind, in front of you.
I've got one. I'm done.
Yun, yung very big doon ate, oh. Andre, yun. In front of Andre, very big.
You get them.
Just in the shop.
Oh my god.
You know, under the leaves. Under the
those
leaves,
are not-
plenty. Very big. Nice.
I'll let you do it because I'm so much.
Sa gabon pa, dito na kusog.
You got it? You got it? Dre?
I'm finding all the pretty ones.
That big ba?
How many na? How much you got?
Strawberries.
Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I have
8
5.
strawberries.
I have 5.
You want another one?
Yan. Show me your Dre, your loots.
You want to steal the flowers? No, you have to get the stem.
Show me your loots, Dre.
Why do you get it like that, Mali? You have to twist it. This one's big.
Hmm? Ito Dre, oh.
Where?
There, in front. Yan.
Ate, ate. Oh, free.
Watch your step. Sweet siguro yung small one, Dre. Hmm.
Yeah, but the hats are cute. I got like 9 flowers. Got like 9 of them.
I don't need
I like the hat. I feel good in the hat.
Kaya.
Okay, I'm not gonna talk anymore.
got the good.
Yeah, I'm done with this.
This one, Dre, oh.
Yeah, big one.
Dre. Ito, Dre.
Ate, wanna get that one?
Get the big ones.
I have so much. That gives me a lot.
Ito.
Di maklaro. Partipita.
Nandun, Dre, sa floor. Nandun. Yan.
The next side.
Dito pa, meron pa dyan, oh. Meron pa yan.
What big ones, man? You gave me the small ones.
Ilan to?
Isa
Ilang 180 lang?
ang gram, sir.
Oo. Sino mas heavy? Hindi masyado heavy to.
482
No, bro. Just take the black ones na lang.
Hmm?
Dito, dito.